In this tutorial, we'll learn how to remove and install a connecting pin on Shimano HG or IG chains. These type of chains require a special replacement pin that has larger peens. For this job, you will need a Shimano compatible chain tool such as the Park CT3 and a set of pliers for breaking the connecting pin after installation. You will also need a black Shimano replacement connecting pin for 6, 7, or 8-speed chains, or a silver pin for 9-speed super narrow chains. The first step is to break your chain using a chain tool. If you have previously used a replacement connecting pin, do not disconnect on that pin. The replacement pins can only be used once. Break the chain on any previously unused pin. When you push the pin out, it may be difficult as it will widen the plate holes on its way through. The replacement pins have wider peens to make up this difference. Once removed, discard the old pin. When installing a chain, always place the chain in the chain tool grooves furthest from the handle. See the tutorial titled How to Use a Chain Tool for more detailed instructions. Push the replacement pin in with the narrow end first. Then tighten until the narrow end is fully exposed on the other side. The wide end should protrude equally on both sides of the chain. Now, using your pliers, break off the narrow end of the pin. If the link feels stiff, place the chain on the inner grooves of the chain tool closest to the handle and tighten it just a bit until the link rotates smoothly. For more tips on loosening stiff links, see our tutorial titled How to Loosen a Stiff Chain Link.